Hello and welcome to your next car on the walk around video for the 420D M Sport Gran Coupe presented in mineral grey. The car itself has come back to us in a very recent part exchange, and we originally sold the vehicle around about 1.5 to 2 years ago and has been exceptionally well kept and just still included the original for your next car M Performance body styling kit and the original set of 20-inch 405 M style alloy wheels that we sold it upon, and is in great condition throughout, all of which you'll see as we make our way around. Car is a 2016 16 plate, has the lovely angel light and xenon headlamps. There of course you can see those very eye-catching alloys alongside the BMW gloss black air breathers, satin side vinyls, matching sidebars and YNC Mperformance decals. Comes with one of the nicest colour combinations, if you ask me, in my opinion. We've got the coral red Dakota leather, which has been kept in really good condition. Comes with the heated and electric lumbar options, 6-speed manual, and has the very sought after Harman Kardon surround sound, as you can see there. Going down the side of the car there, you can see just how well all of our additions that we made to the car has kept up with the test of time and of course being driven on the road. Rear seats, 3-seat Isofix rear bench, folding armrests, and of course that lovely darkened M Sport headlining. Round to the rear of the car, again all of the alloys have been kept in superb condition on this car, and at the back it still maintains its lovely gloss rear boot spoiler. And at the time this was done, I believe at the customer's request, we carried out a exhaust conversion, as you can see there. Hence we've got that lovely twin exhaust, which is merely for just the aesthetics rather than any performance or noise upgrades. Still, it looks very nice, and of course that nice bit of individuality. Split folding seats, a very large boot space on the Gran Coupes, as you can see. Going round to the driver's side now, again giving you a shot of that lovely exhaust. Everything's very clean and tidy round at this side, and that mineral grey really does work with the additions that we make. And as I've mentioned, everything is exactly as the way it left, in really great condition on this car, and has been very nicely kept in terms of both the overall condition and its mechanical work. Moving through into the interior, we've got the lovely professional wide navigation and media screen. We'll start the car up and just run yourselves through a couple of the features and functions. We have of course got sat nav, we've also got Bluetooth telephone and audio, DAB radio, along with a wide array of multimedia inputs. Down here we find the dual climate control with the all-important switches for our heated seats. It's definitely starting to get that little bit colder now, so it's something you're definitely going to want, I'm sure. Across here on our multifunction M Sport steering wheel, you'll find the cruise control, speed limiter, voice and volume controls. This wonderful 420D is now covered just over 77,000 miles. However, hopefully throughout this video you've been able to see not only just that the car is in great condition, but of course also the additions we made quite some time ago now have also stood up to the test of time. Onto the service history record of the car, as you can see there, it's got BMW Service History right the way up to 60,000 miles, and we will be carrying out a full service on the car as well, as a part of our recommendations that the vehicle is coming up to its service mileage. So there is a walk around video of another fantastic 420D that, as I said, has been very recently part exchanged. Of course we do always welcome the best buyback rates here at Your Next Car on any vehicle we have previously sold, and we are always very grateful to see our customers once again, much like we are always happy to see new customers. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this walk around video, and hoping you've enjoyed it and found it useful. And of course, if you do have any questions, all of our contact information is down below in the description. Again, thank you. Do of course take care, guys. Bye bye.